Excel's menu system consists of a series of tabs followed by a group of icons. The entire menu system is referred to as the ribbon. The most common tab is the Home tab. In the Home tab, lots of formatting tools are available on the left side, here including some related to numbers, some additional command type features to the right also. In the Insert tab, here we have the pivot tables and the different charts and graph and some other related features. And there is a Page Layout tab. It has a lot to do with printing and also some other related features. The Formula tab has also a lot to do with formula, which has built-in formulas and some other features here as well. The Data tab contains important data management tools like sorting, filtering, and other features related to data management. And also the Review tab, you probably will not use as often listed here, but we have here a spell check and some protection features like workbook protection and worksheet protection. These are very important. And also the View tab has a lot to do with some of the visuals. We have also the Developer tab is the last one. And here is a File tab. Here we have a feature for file management, print, export, and other stuffs here. Can get back into our standard views of Excel by either pressing escape or this left arrow. Here are also additional sections in this little arrow. It shows us different features that we might not see here on the Home tab. In the upper right, you'll see a choice related to how we view the tabs and the ribbon. The default is what we are seeing right now. If you want to show the tabs only, we can do it just to focus on the data. We can also auto hide the ribbon also. Good. We can return it back by clicking it again. So Excel ribbon system is very visual and intuitive. We'll use most of the features throughout this course.